special video for Mr. Northern Utah live stream, whose videos I enjoy immensely, by the way. This is a small explanatory video about how I installed the LED lights in a Aster Mikado Southern. Enjoy. What I did is I drilled a 3mm hole in the front light fixture and used very thin wires in these and filled it up with nail polish, gel nail polish actually. This works really well. The lady at the store gave me a really weird eye when I asked if, what is the setting time and how translucent it gets when it sets. So on the back side of this front door, the plus wire is connected to all of them, and each light has a separate negative black wire. They all end up there, and then I use the 3mm copper tube, spray painted it black, mounted it to the boiler casing. And if you don't know it's there, it's just part of the plumbing. Drill a small hole through the smoke box there. It's fake, so you know that because you have the model, but still. And then ended up just behind, which is there. And these small wires are the ones that conduct the electricity, and then to a JST connector. I'll show you the bottom in a moment. So the second part is seen from underneath. These are the connectors to the lights. These are the servo connectors. And then by cable, I route to the switch on the top there. I'll show you in a bit. And connect the wires through down there. Underneath, so you have the power wires, which are switched. This leads to the battery. These are the connectors to the Micron K1 receiver, which is a 2.4 gigahertz receiver. And this is a Lame Boys light controller. I use it in the RC cars as well. It gives me a bit more control also in setting the intensity of the lights. For example, the green ones in front I run at 30% at the moment. What it takes is one signal wire from the receiver and power, and then it has plus, and you can wire up to I think 14 or 15 LEDs if you want, and switch each separately. So these are the wires from the LEDs that goes all the way to the front, to the connector there. So seen from the bottom, here you can see the small wires to the very thin wires, these ones. These ones go through the copper tube. Copper tube you can see there. All the way to the front of the locomotive. And while we're here, it's always nice to have a good look underneath. And it is, to be frank, a gorgeous machine. Lastly, the top view. This is the switch that I mounted. These are the servo with the silver soldered brackets which I made for them, and the servo wires which you can see underneath. This is a fake plateau which covers the battery deck. And the batteries are located here with just a wire, so you can easily change them out, and they are protected from water and alcohol. Things to do still are a fake coal load, but that will be later. And I'll switch it on. Awesome. Always nice to see it working as well, so I switched on the light. This is the throttle. And the blower. And I can switch the lights off, on, and change the intensity as well.